Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others struggle their whole lives without ever leaving the place? Is there a secret that the rich know that most never learn? The answer is yes, and today, you will find out exactly what it is. But first, understand one thing. Wealth is not just about working hard. If it were, the richest people in the world would be those who exert themselves the most physically. But that's not what happens. The real secret is in the way you think, act, and position yourself in relation to money. And the most incredible thing? Anyone can apply this technique and transform their financial reality. Studies show that the way your mind is programmed defines your relationship with prosperity. If you believe that money is hard to earn, that wealth is not for you, or that only the lucky become millionaires, your mind works against you, blocking any possibility of abundance. But if you know how to reprogram it, everything changes. Money starts flowing, opportunities arise, and your financial life transforms. In this video, I will reveal 7 techniques used by millionaires to attract money effortlessly, and best of all, I will show you how to apply them in your life today. Some of them may seem simple, but make no mistake. These are exactly the strategies that make the difference between a life of scarcity and a life of prosperity. And stay with me until the end, because the last technique is the most powerful of all. It can have you seeing results in a matter of days. So, if you're ready to change your financial reality, let's get started. The way you see money determines whether it flows to you or slips out of your hands. The problem is that, from a young age, we are bombarded with limiting beliefs that keep us from prosperity. Phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, you have to sweat to make a living, or the rich are greedy are engraved in our subconscious and become our reality. The result? A lifetime of financial struggle, without understanding that the real blockage is within our own mind. But here's what the rich know that most people don't. Money responds to your mental programming. If, deep down, you believe you will never be rich, your mind will find ways to confirm that belief. You will avoid opportunities, make bad decisions, and even reject success without realizing it. But when you change that programming, everything starts to transform. And the best news? This can be done simply, with repetition and consistency. Start by observing your thoughts about money. Whenever a negative thought arises, such as I never have enough money, immediately replace it with a positive affirmation. Money comes to me in unexpected ways. It may seem like a small thing, but your brain learns through repetition. And the more you reinforce abundance beliefs, the more your mind begins to accept them as truth. And once your mind accepts it, your reality changes. Money that once seemed impossible to achieve begins to appear in ways you never imagined. This is the reprogramming that millionaires do, consciously or unconsciously. And now, you can do it too. Most people spend their entire lives focused on making money, but the rich think differently. They are not just concerned about receiving a salary or increasing their monthly income. They have a multiplication mentality. For them, every dollar that comes in is a seed that can be planted to generate more money in the future. While most people work for money, the rich make money work for them. And this is one of the biggest differences between those who live trapped in scarcity and those who achieve true financial freedom. Imagine 2 people who earn the same amount per month. One of them spends everything she receives, pays bills, buys things she wants, and, at the end of the month, is back to zero, needing to work to earn more. The other takes part of that money and invests it, creates sources of passive income, and looks for ways to make your money grow without needing more effort. After a few years, who do you think will be financially free? This is the game that millionaires learn to play early on. They know that money sitting around loses value, and that the only way to build lasting wealth is to set it to grow constantly. If you want to attract money more easily, you need to change your relationship with it. Instead of asking, how much will I make from this? Start asking, how can I make this money multiply? This small shift in thinking creates a powerful effect. You start looking for investments, opportunities, businesses that can grow over time. And the best? You realize that you don't need to work harder to earn more. You just need to change your strategy. The rich understand that money is a living resource, which moves and expands for those who know how to use it. And now, this could be your new reality. Many people hear about the law of attraction and think that you just need to want something intensely for it to appear in your life. But the rich understand that this law works in a much deeper way. It's not just about wanting money, it's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions so that wealth flows naturally to you. If deep down you feel that money is hard to come by, that only privileged people get rich, or that you are not good enough to prosper, then no matter how much you desire wealth, your subconscious will continue to create barriers that prevent money from reaching you. The secret of millionaires is that they don't just think about abundance. They live in the state of mind of abundance before they even see results. They feel prosperous, act like successful people, and make decisions based on the confidence that wealth is already part of who they are. And this is the detail that makes all the difference. When you truly believe you deserve prosperity, your energy changes, your attitudes change, and the world responds accordingly. You begin to see opportunities where you previously saw problems, attract people who can help you, and find paths that previously seemed invisible. A powerful way to put this into practice is through visualization. Every day, close your eyes and imagine your ideal financial life as if it were already real. See yourself living in a place you love, feeling the peace of mind of having money left over, making choices without fear of scarcity. The more you allow yourself to feel this reality now, the faster it manifests. The rich do this without even realizing it, because they train their minds to always be in a state of abundance. And if you start applying this today, you'll soon see money flowing into your life in unexpected ways. The biggest difference between those who build wealth and those who spend their lives struggling financially is not intelligence, luck, or even opportunities. It's patience and persistence. The rich understand that money is not an instant prize, but the result of consistent choices over time. While most people seek immediate gratification, wanting to get rich quickly without effort, those who truly accumulate wealth play the long-term game. They know that planting today means harvesting tomorrow, which is why they continue to invest, learn, and build, even when the results are not yet apparent. Many give up halfway because they expect instant results. They start a business, make an investment, or try to change their mindset, but when they don't see quick changes, they fall back into their old habits and limiting beliefs. But this is exactly where persistence makes all the difference. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. It is built brick by brick, day by day, with every smart decision you make. Think about the great millionaires. How many of them became rich overnight? None. They spent years honing their skills, making strategic decisions, and most of all, staying in the game even when everything seemed difficult. If you want to attract money consistently, you need to learn to trust the process. Every action you take today, even if it seems small, is shaping your financial reality in the future. Money responds to the energy of continuity, and the longer you hold on to your vision, the sooner it will materialize. The rich do not give up at the first difficulty because they know that patience always rewards those who remain firm. And if you adopt this same mindset, it's only a matter of time before prosperity becomes inevitable in your life. The environment in which you live has a direct impact on your mentality and, consequently, on your financial reality. The rich understand that money doesn't just come from individual effort, but also from the right connections, ideas, and influences. If you spend most of your time surrounded by people who complain about life, who see money as something unattainable, or who live in fear of scarcity, your mind naturally begins to absorb these beliefs. But when you surround yourself with people who think big, who talk about opportunities, who are always growing and looking for new ways to thrive, something powerful happens. Your mindset expands. You begin to see possibilities that previously seemed invisible, and, without realizing it, you begin to act like someone who is destined for success. Millionaires choose their circles with intention. They know that being around successful people inspires them to level up because the energy of abundance is contagious. Have you ever noticed how certain conversations can leave you motivated and full of ideas, while others drain your energy and make you doubt your potential? This happens because our brain is programmed to adapt to the environment. If you want to attract more money, you need to surround yourself with people who already live in the frequency of wealth. This does not mean abandoning friends or family, but rather seeking new connections, learning from those who have already gotten to where you want to go, and exposing yourself to a new pattern of thinking. The best way to start this change is by asking yourself, who are the 5 people you spend the most time with? Do they drive you or hold you back? If the answer isn't positive, it's time to look for environments that nurture your growth mindset. Attend events, join groups of entrepreneurs, read books by successful people, Listen to podcasts that elevate your thinking. When you surround yourself with people who think like millionaires, you inevitably start to act like one. And when your mindset changes, your bank account follows suit. Money and trust are directly linked, and the rich know it. The way you see yourself and the value you place on yourself determine how much money you attract. Insecure people, who doubt their own potential and are afraid of being charged for what they do, end up living in scarcity because they transmit this energy to the world. Those who are confident in their own worth and know that they deserve to be well paid never need to chase money. It comes to them. This happens because trust generates a perception of authority and competence, making opportunities, customers, and business flow naturally to those who position themselves with confidence. Have you ever noticed that the most successful people are not necessarily the most talented, but rather the most confident? They speak with conviction, are not afraid to sell themselves, negotiate without hesitation, and charge the price they believe is fair. Meanwhile, those who doubt their own worth tend to accept less than they deserve, are afraid to ask for a raise, feel uncomfortable talking about money, and, as a consequence, remain stuck at the same financial level. Money follows those who believe they deserve to have it, and this is a truth that few understand. If you want to attract more money, you need to build your confidence first. This starts with recognizing the value of what you offer and stopping diminishing your own abilities. If you feel like you don't deserve to charge more, ask yourself, why not? If other people can do it, why can't you? The world pays for the value you deliver, and if you yourself don't believe in that value, no one else will. Starting today, start behaving like someone who is already financially successful. Speak more firmly, negotiate without fear, position yourself with authority. The more you internalize this mindset, the more money starts to flow to you naturally, because confidence is what separates those who just survive financially from those who truly thrive. The biggest difference between the rich and those who struggle financially is not in what they own, but in the mental state in which they live. Even before achieving wealth, millionaires already felt prosperous inside. They don't wait for money to arrive to feel successful. They embody that mindset now, and that's exactly what attracts more money into their lives. The mistake most people make is thinking that once they have money, they will finally feel abundant. But the truth is the opposite. First, you enter the state of inner wealth, and then money begins to manifest in your physical world. This happens because what you feel daily creates your reality. If you live with a feeling of lack, worry, and financial anxiety, your mind constantly seeks confirmation of this scarcity, closing the doors to new opportunities. But when you train your brain to feel prosperous now, regardless of your current situation, you begin to attract circumstances that reflect that abundance. It's not about pretending to already be a millionaire, but about accessing the energy of wealth in the present. You do this by changing your focus. Instead of looking at what you lack, focus on what you already have. Instead of acting out of fear, make decisions like someone who trusts the flow of money. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. The rich live in this state naturally, which is why money seems to flow to them effortlessly. They don't vibrate with desperation, they don't feel afraid to spend, they don't make decisions based on scarcity. They believe they will always have more, and this belief becomes reality. You can start practicing this now by noticing how you feel about money on a daily basis. Are you acting like someone who trusts in abundance, or like someone who fears lack? Change starts within you. When you enter the state of inner wealth, everything around you responds to this new frequency, and money that previously seemed distant begins to flow to you naturally. Now you know the 7 secrets that rich people use to attract money effortlessly. But knowing these techniques is not enough. What really makes a difference is putting them into practice. Look at your life today and ask yourself, which of these changes can I start implementing now? Are you willing to reprogram your mind for abundance? Seeing money as a resource that must be multiplied? Changing the way you position yourself and value yourself? Small changes in your mindset create big changes in your financial reality. The decision to move out of scarcity and into prosperity begins now. If this video opened your eyes, don't keep this information to yourself. Like, subscribe to the channel and share with someone who also needs to hear this. The more people understand these principles, the more the abundance mindset will spread. And tell me in the comments, which of these techniques impacted you the most? I want to know what change you will start making today to transform your relationship with money. Remember, wealth is not a destination, but a state of mind. And now that you have this knowledge, it's time to use it to your advantage.